Welcome back to our channel, where we embark on a journey to explore the hidden treasures of the world's most fascinating beverages. Today, we're diving into the world of Brazilian Batida, a delightful cocktail that's sure to leave you mesmerized. Get ready to be amazed by some lesser-known facts about this unique and vibrant drink. Let's get started. Batida, derived from the Portuguese word batida de frutas, translates to shaken fruit. This aptly describes this cocktail's preparation, where it combines the rich flavors of cachaça with fresh fruits, often blended with condensed milk or coconut milk to create a luscious and creamy delight. While traditional batida recipes typically use fruits like passion fruit, coconut, or pineapple, the versatility of this cocktail knows no bounds. Brazilians love to experiment with various tropical fruits, giving rise to a plethora of creative and exotic combinations. Batida has a fascinating history that traces back to the sugarcane plantations in Brazil's past. Workers would mix cachaça with fresh fruits and coconut milk to create a refreshing and energizing drink, offering a sweet escape from the toils of their labor. While coconut is a popular choice, Batida's variety extends far beyond. You can find versions infused with flavors like cashew fruit, mango, guava, and even traditional Brazilian sweets like brigadeiro, tantalizing taste buds with each unique twist. In Brazil, Batida is often served during festive occasions and celebrations, especially during Carnival and other cultural festivals. The sweet and creamy concoction symbolizes joy, abundance, and togetherness, making it a staple at social gatherings. As cachaça gains popularity worldwide, so does the recognition of Batida. This cocktail's uniqueness and indulgent taste have garnered appreciation beyond Brazil's borders, making it a delightful discovery for cocktail enthusiasts everywhere. Batida is a wonderful companion to traditional Brazilian dishes, complementing the vibrant flavors of the country's cuisine. Its tropical fruit profiles and creamy texture make it an ideal match for feijoada, moqueca, and other savory delights. And there you have it, the untold wonders of Brazilian Batida. From its creamy fruit blends to its rich cultural significance, this cocktail is a true gem waiting to be discovered. Next time you're in the mood for something exotic and delicious, whip up your own Batida using your favorite fruits, and immerse yourself in the taste of Brazil. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, cheers and salud.